Hey everyone, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share honest reviews of programs and tools that help you build an online business. Today I'm diving into the 72-hour challenge by Jonathan Montoya. What it's all about, how it works, the pros and cons, and if it's really worth the investment. Stick around until the end because I've got a special free gift just for you. And let's get started. Who am I? My name is Amber, and I've been through the trenches when it comes to finding ways to escape the 9-to-5 grind. I've tried countless online business models. Some worked, some didn't, and let me tell you, it's not as easy as those flashy ads make it sound. I've invested in tons of courses, programs, and even dipped my toes into digital real estate. If you're looking to find out what really works online, you're in the right place. And if you enjoy honest, no BS reviews like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. And just a quick disclaimer, I am an affiliate. If you choose to make a purchase through my affiliate link, I will earn a small commission. Please note that this does not affect the price you pay. There is no additional cost to you. The commission simply helps support my work and allows me to continue providing honest reviews and valuable content. Thank you for your support. So what is the 72-hour challenge? It's an online education platform aimed at helping beginners set up an online business through affiliate marketing in just 72 hours. The program was created by Jonathan Montoya. It's designed to get you up and running quickly so you can start promoting products and earning commissions as soon as possible. It provides step-by-step instructions for setting up a website, choosing products, and generating traffic. Montoya's challenge focuses on simplifying the process, making it ideal if you're new to affiliate marketing and want a structured approach to getting started. How does it work? Setting up your website. Jonathan walks you through the basics of building a website and creating a landing page. You don't need any prior experience in web design. He's made it straightforward for beginners. Choosing products to promote. Once your website is up, he helps you find and choose the right affiliate products to promote based on niches with high demand and good commission rates. Generating traffic. The program covers both free and paid methods for driving traffic to your offer. This part includes email marketing and social media strategies to bring visitors to your page. Earn commission. Finally, with the site set up and traffic strategies in place, the goal is to start making affiliate sales and generating commission. Is it a scam? No, absolutely not. It is not a scam. Jonathan Montoya's challenge is legitimate and offers practical steps for setting up an affiliate marketing business. That said, it's not a magic solution. You'll still need to put in the work, learn the material, and apply the strategies to see results. The good. Beginner friendly. The program is designed with beginners in mind, with step-by-step guidance and clear instructions for each task. Quick start. The 72-hour structure is great if you want to get things up and running quickly without feeling overwhelmed by a long course. Solid traffic training. Jonathan includes both free and paid traffic strategies, so you have options depending on your budget. The bad. Not a guaranteed income. Like any business model, success depends on how much effort and consistency you put in. The 72-hour challenge gives you the basics, but results may vary. Limited advanced training. The challenge is mainly for beginners, so if you already have experience in affiliate marketing, you may find the content a bit basic. So is the 72-hour challenge worth it? Yes. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want a straightforward, guided approach to setting up your first online business, Jonathan Montoya's program provides a clear plan and practical steps that are easy to follow, making it a good starting point if you're serious about affiliate marketing. However, be prepared to invest time, effort, and a little extra budget for tools to see the best results. Interested in the 72-hour program, you can find the link to purchase the program by clicking the link below this video. My bonus to you, if you purchase the course from my link in the description below, I will give you a $1,200 bonus free of charge. Next level coaching, you will have access to 14 days of personal coaching from me. To get the bonus, purchase the program from my link in the pinned comment below, take a picture of the receipt and email it to me. What if I'm not interested in the 72-hour challenge? Are there alternatives? Yes, there is definitely alternatives by using my free gift. It's a free online course. It'll teach you everything you need to get started with affiliate marketing. You can access the free online course from the link below. Benefits of my course or affiliate marketing. You can do it part-time, full-time, work anywhere in the world, low startup costs, no need to create your own product. And of course, I'm going to provide you with the free online course. Also going to give you 3 ebooks to help you get started. And of course, the 14 days of coaching by me. Thank you for everyone that has stuck around. If you like this sort of video, please like and subscribe so I can keep giving you honest reviews. Thank you.